As we age, we may start to notice subtle changes in our physical abilities. Tasks that used to be second nature, like climbing stairs, getting up from a chair, or even carrying groceries, suddenly feel more challenging. These are the types of everyday activities that can become more difficult as we grow older, and they may point to a condition known as sarcopenia. Sarcopenia refers to the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength that typically occurs with age. It is a condition that many people over 50 experience to varying degrees, and it can significantly impact mobility and overall quality of life. Research from the American Geriatric Society indicates that sarcopenia is becoming an increasingly common concern for adults over 50, and it can significantly affect mobility and independence. However, the good news is that there are practical, natural ways to combat this process. Small lifestyle adjustments can go a long way in slowing down muscle loss and promoting strength. If you or someone you know is over 50, this video is for you. We're going to explore some nutrient-dense foods that, when incorporated into a balanced diet, may support muscle strength and help prevent the onset of sarcopenia. These foods are not only delicious, but packed with the vitamins and minerals that are crucial for maintaining muscle mass and staying active. So, let's dive into the first one. 1. Chickpeas. Chickpeas, those small golden legumes, are often seen as a staple in Mediterranean cuisine. But did you know they also offer powerful benefits when it comes to supporting muscle health? They're not just a tasty addition to salads and stews. Chickpeas are actually a powerhouse food that may help prevent muscle loss associated with aging. What makes chickpeas so effective at supporting muscle health? For starters, they are loaded with high-quality, plant-based protein. A 100-gram serving of cooked chickpeas provides around 9 grams of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and rebuilding. But that's just the beginning. Chickpeas also offer a significant amount of magnesium, about 48 milligrams per 100 grams. Magnesium is crucial for proper muscle contraction and function, and it can even help prevent painful muscle cramps. Additionally, chickpeas are rich in leucine, an essential amino acid that activates the mTOR pathway, which plays a critical role in muscle growth and preservation. By including chickpeas in your diet, you're providing your body with the building blocks it needs to maintain muscle mass.
But there's even more to chickpeas than just their protein content. Each 100-gram serving also contains 7.6 grams of fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and prevents insulin spikes that can harm muscle health over time. Chickpeas also contain 2.9 milligrams of iron, which is vital for delivering oxygen to muscle cells and improving endurance. To get the most out of chickpeas, aim to eat around 150 grams of cooked chickpeas 3 to 4 times a week. For even better iron absorption, pair chickpeas with a vitamin C-rich food. A splash of lemon juice works perfectly. 2. Peas. Next up is another muscle-boosting food that's often underestimated: peas. These little green gems are not just a side dish, they're a nutritional powerhouse. Peas are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and contain a wealth of other nutrients that support muscle health. Peas provide 5.4 grams of protein per 100 grams, making them an excellent choice for those looking to increase their protein intake without relying on animal products. What sets peas apart from other plant-based protein sources is their lysine content. Lysine is an essential amino acid that plays a key role in collagen production and muscle repair, both of which are important for maintaining muscle strength and preventing muscle loss as we age. In addition to lysine, peas are rich in iron, with about 1.5 milligrams per 100 grams. Iron is crucial for oxygen delivery to muscles and helps reduce fatigue, which is especially important during physical activity. Peas also contain leucine, the same amino acid found in chickpeas that is involved in muscle protein synthesis. What's even more impressive is the presence of saponins in peas. These plant compounds have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help protect muscles after physical exertion. To enhance the absorption of iron in peas, try pairing them with foods high in vitamin C, like red peppers or lemon juice, which can increase absorption by as much as 67%. Aiming to eat around 150 grams of peas at least 3 times a week can help you enjoy the full benefits of this nutrient-dense food. One easy way to incorporate peas into your meals is by blending 200 grams of cooked peas with 20 grams of almonds and a spoonful of extra virgin olive oil to create a creamy, nutrient-packed spread. 3. Spirulina. If you're looking for a food that offers an extraordinary array of nutrients, look no further than spirulina. This blue-green algae is often referred to as a superfood, and for good reason. Spirulina is so nutritionally dense that it has even been included in NASA's space diet for astronauts. But it's not just useful for space exploration. Spirulina is an incredible ally when it comes to supporting muscle health here on Earth. One of the main benefits of spirulina is its protein content. Spirulina is made up of about 70% complete protein by dry weight, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair and growth. In comparison, chicken breast contains about 27% protein, making spirulina a far more concentrated source. Spirulina is also packed with iron. Just 1 teaspoon, 3 grams, of spirulina powder provides about 50 milligrams of iron. Iron plays a vital role in transporting oxygen to muscles, which is essential for reducing fatigue during physical activity. Additionally, spirulina is rich in magnesium, with about 195 milligrams per 10 grams, which helps maintain nerve and muscle function. But that's not all. Spirulina contains a powerful antioxidant called phycocyan, which helps reduce inflammation and oxidative damage in muscle cells. This means that spirulina can support faster recovery and improved endurance after physical activity. To enjoy the full benefits of spirulina, it's recommended to consume between 3 to 5 grams per day. You can add spirulina powder to smoothies, juices, or even plain water. For a refreshing post-workout drink, try mixing 5 grams of spirulina with 250 milliliters of coconut water to help replenish electrolytes and support muscle recovery. 4. Parsley. Parsley may be most commonly known as a garnish, but this humble herb is actually a nutritional powerhouse when it comes to supporting muscle health. While parsley has long been used in Mediterranean cuisine, its benefits go far beyond flavoring dishes. Parsley can help prevent sarcopenia, the age-related decline in muscle mass. Parsley is a rich source of apigenin, a flavonoid that helps reduce muscle inflammation and supports the repair of muscle fibers. Just 10 grams of fresh parsley provides about 130 milligrams of apigenin, which is significantly more than what's found in many other herbs. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, parsley is an excellent source of vitamin K. Just 100 grams of parsley contains over 16,000 micrograms of vitamin K, which is essential for both muscle contraction and bone strength, 2 key factors for maintaining mobility as we age. Parsley is also rich in iron, which helps improve oxygen transport and reduce fatigue. To enjoy parsley's muscle-boosting benefits, try to include at least 15 grams of fresh parsley in your daily diet. You can easily incorporate it into green smoothies, salads, or even make a warm parsley tea by steeping 10 grams of parsley in hot water for 5 minutes. 5. Chives. Chives are often used as a garnish, but they deserve much more attention than just adding flavor to your meals. This fragrant herb is packed with nutrients that are beneficial for muscle health, and it's especially effective at helping prevent sarcopenia. Chives are an excellent source of vitamin C, which supports collagen formation and muscle repair. Just 100 grams of chives provides around 90 milligrams of vitamin C. Chives are also rich in vitamin K, which is essential for muscle function and bone health. Additionally, chives contain allicin and flavonoids, compounds that help improve circulation and muscle oxygenation, reducing fatigue and enhancing post-workout recovery. To get the most benefit from chives, aim to eat at least 10 grams per day. You can add them to salads, sandwiches, or blend them with avocado and yogurt for a creamy smoothie. The hidden danger of sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is a silent condition that affects many adults over the age of 50. If left untreated, it can lead to severe mobility issues, increased risk of falls, and even a loss of independence. The good news is that by making small changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can fight back against muscle loss and preserve your strength and mobility. The importance of strengthening your leg. One area where muscle loss is especially concerning is in the legs. Weak leg muscles can lead to dangerous falls and greatly impact your ability to perform everyday tasks. However, with the right foods and nutrients, you can rebuild strength in your legs and restore your independence. Lean protein, calcium, and other essential nutrients are vital for maintaining strong muscles, particularly in the legs. Foods like chicken breast, turkey, and white fish are excellent sources of protein, while calcium-rich foods like Parmesan cheese help maintain bone strength. By incorporating these muscle-boosting foods into your diet, you can improve your strength, reduce fatigue, and maintain your independence for years to come. Don't wait for sarcopenia to take hold. Start today and support your muscle health with the right nutrition. If you've made it this far, you've already taken the first step toward a stronger, healthier future. Now it's time to take action. Don't wait until muscle loss limits your movement or independence. Start making these small, powerful changes to your daily meals today. Incorporate the right foods. Stay active. And most importantly, stay consistent. If you found this information helpful, help others by sharing it. Someone you know might be silently struggling with muscle weakness, and this could be the wake-up call they need. Hit the like button to show your support, and subscribe to our channel for more science-backed health tips designed to keep you strong, active, and independent at every stage of life. Have questions or a personal experience with sarcopenia or muscle weakness? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your story. Stay informed, stay empowered, and we'll see you in the next video.